In the heart of a bustling city, a highly successful electrical engineer named Daniel stood on stage at a prestigious conference. He delivered a keynote address to an audience filled with aspiring engineers and industry professionals.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to discuss the future of renewable energy and sustainability. By harnessing innovation and practical skills, we can create solutions that not only power our cities, but also preserve our planet for future generations.
As he spoke about innovative, renewable, and sustainability solutions, his thoughts drifted back to his humble beginnings and the transformative TVET journey that had brought him to this moment. Years ago, Daniel was a high school student brimming with dreams yet feeling adrift in the sea of traditional academics. His grades were above average, but his true passion lay in hands, on activities upgrading skills, tinkering with inventions, and exploring new ideas. One day, his school's perceptive guidance counselor, Mr. Maslin, noticed his disinterest in conventional subjects and called him into his office for a conversation that would change his life.
Daniel, have you ever considered a TVET program? It's a hands-on approach to learning specific skills, and I think it might suit you. What's TVET? Technical and Vocational Education and Training. You can learn trades like engineering, hospitality, information technology, and many other at a polytechnic or community colleges under the Department of Polytechnic and College Community. It's a direct path to a career.
After discussing it with his parents and researching more about TVET programs under the Department of Polytechnic and Community Colleges, Daniel decided to enroll in the electrical engineering program at Polytechnic Ibrahim Sultan. The first day was daunting, surrounded by unfamiliar faces and complex machinery, but Daniel felt a spark of excitement. His instructors were seasoned professionals who brought real-world experience into the classroom. Mr. Harris, his electrical circuits instructor, became a mentor.
In this field, precision and patience are not just virtues but your greatest allies. Master these qualities, and you'll possess the power to illuminate the world with your brilliance and skill.
Daniel embraced the practical, hands-on learning approach with enthusiasm, spending countless hours in the workshop mastering wiring circuits, troubleshooting issues, and understanding electrical systems. Despite moments of frustration, each failure fueled his determination. One challenging project put his skills to the test, designing a sustainable energy solution for a small community. Leading his classmates, Daniel integrated solar panels with efficient wiring systems, earning top marks and attracting the attention of local businesses. During his final year, Daniel secured an internship with a renowned electrical engineering firm. The practical skills he had honed at the Polytechnic impressed his supervisors. After graduation, he was offered a full-time position, and from there, his career soared. Years passed, and Daniel became known for his innovative designs and contributions to sustainable energy solutions. One day, Daniel learned about a remote village without electricity, relying on candles and kerosene lamps, which posed health risks. Moved by their plight, he assembled a team of engineers and volunteers, including current Polytechnic students, as Daniel himself was an alumni of that Polytechnic. While working, Daniel transferred his knowledge and skills to the students, mentoring them in real-world applications of their studies. Assessing the resources, he proposed a hybrid solar and wind power solution. With ample sunlight and a steady breeze, the village was ideal for this system. They worked tirelessly, installing solar panels, wind turbines, and a small power storage system. The transformation was remarkable. Children could study at night, businesses thrived, and the villagers' quality of life improved significantly.
We cannot express how grateful we are for what you have done, Daniel. Your work has truly transformed our lives. We hope that many more engineers like you, trained through TVET programs, will emerge to bring such life-changing benefits to other communities in need. You have given us more than electricity, you have given us hope and a brighter future.
Standing on the stage at the conference, Daniel concluded his speech with heartfelt advice.
Success isn't just about where you end up, but the journey you take to get there. For me, that journey began with a TVET program in electrical engineering at Polytechnic. It taught me skills, gave me confidence, and opened doors I never imagined possible. And remember, true success also comes from giving back. Helping that remote village gain access to electricity was one of the most rewarding experiences of my life.
As the audience applauded, Daniel's heart swelled with gratitude. He knew that the TVET and polytechnic path he had chosen was unconventional to some, but it was the perfect fit for him. His story was a testament to the power of perseverance, the value of practical skills, and the belief that with dedication and a willingness to give back, anyone can achieve greatness.